Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit Toncoin on your Telegram wallet. So what you're going to do is simple. You have to open up your Telegram application as you see, and then tap on the three lines over there, and then tap on wallet section there. Okay, so when you tap on wallet section, just wait for it to load up a bit. So it will be loading up my Telegram wallet over here. Okay, so this is my Telegram wallet, and if I want to deposit Toncoin on my Telegram wallet, I'll first come and access Toncoins. I'll just come to more assets there, then tap on Toncoin, and then I'll tap on receive over here. Okay, so when you tap on receive, you'll be able to copy your address of the Toncoin. As you can see, to copy this address, you need to get yourself verified by inputting your national ID details and also scanning your face over here. Okay, so I'm assuming you've copied your address from there. So what you'll do is simple. You head over to the Ton wallet application. So we are assuming you have some Ton coins in your Ton wallet application, and you'll be sending them from Ton wallet application to your Telegram application. So you have finished copying the Telegram application, which the address from the Telegram application. So we are heading over to our Ton wallet over here so that we can paste this address in the send, and then you'll be able to send them. All right, so what you do is simple. You can leave this. Just come and tap on I'll just go back here. Just come and tap on Toncoin there. Okay, and then you tap on send. So when you tap on send, just come and paste the address that you copied from Telegram over here. This is the receiving address. Just come and paste it there, and you can even add a comment there. Okay, I'm assuming I'm just saying hello, kindly receive these coins. I'm assuming you're sending to someone, and then just tap on continue, and you'll be able to send, or you'll be able to deposit Ton coins from any other exchange or any other wallet to your Telegram wallet. So thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.